Hello students, welcome to all of you in bio classes. As you know that nowadays we are covering the fluid connective tissues, in which we have already covered the first two types of blood cells. They are erythrocytes and leukocytes. Now the third type of cells we have to talk about, and they are thrombocytes. Thrombocytes are commonly known as blood platelets. Thrombocytes are responsible for the clotting of blood within 25 to 30 seconds. Sometimes it takes some minutes also, but normally the time taken is 25 to 30 seconds. Thrombocytes release a protein which is known as thromboplastin, and this thromboplastin takes part in the clotting of blood. Now the number of thrombocytes in blood is about 200 to 400,000 per cubic millimeter. The lifespan is about 7 to 9 days as they divide off nucleus. So in absence of nucleus, the lifespan shortens, and here in case of thrombocytes it is 7 to 9 days. Divide of nucleus. So by doing so, that is taking part in clotting of blood, they checks the excessive loss of blood during accident and the best lifesaver in such condition. So this checks the excessive loss of blood during accident, during cut mark and other accidental wounds वगैरह. In disease like dengue, you might have heard the name of blood platelets and the number of blood platelets declining. In case of dengue and chikungunya etc., they decline very fast. As far as structure is concerned, the structure of thrombocytes are not very clear, not very same or fixed. But normally they look like a ball of spines. So this is all about the three main cells of blood, that is erythrocytes, leukocytes and thrombocytes. Now we will talk about the function of blood. First function, carries oxygen for the supply of in whole body. Along with oxygen, they also take part in supply of food, enzymes, hormones, etc. to various parts of body. Now third, it also collects the waste material like urea, uric acid, and other substances for the filtration. Third, protects body from the invasion of bacteria, virus, and fungi, etc. Next, takes part in clotting of blood, very quickly, so saves the lives. In case of accidents. The last, maintains the body temperature normal by the circulation in whole body. So this is all about the blood. Now we will move towards the second liquid, and that is lymph. So now we will talk about the second liquid, and that is lymph. Lymph is a pale yellow colored liquid because it is divide of RBC and platelets. As the RBC is not present in this liquid, so the color of this liquid is pale yellow and not red. How they are formed? They flow, lymph flow, in lymph vessels. Right? Now how they form? During the supply of blood from blood vessels to blood capillaries. When the blood supplies from blood to blood capillaries, blood vessels to blood capillaries. Blood vessels have a large diameter, while the capillaries are having shorter diameter. The walls of capillaries are impermeable, that is, they are not permeable, impermeable for RBC and blood platelets. So the liquid contains only leukocytes. The lymph contains only leukocyte, and especially in leukocyte, lymphocyte. And by the name of lymphocytes, the name lymph has been given to it. Now, what are the functions of lymph? It collects carbon dioxide and other metabolic waste from body and leaves it in bloodstream. This is the first function. Now the second function. It absorbs fat and fat soluble vitamins from digestive tract and leaves it in blood supply for the circulation of in whole body. It also, one more function, it also collects the filtered nutrients in kidney and supplies it to the heart for the circulation in whole body. So it is all about the fluid connective tissue. I think it is clear to all of you, and it is more than sufficient for your course also. So thank you for watching the video. Thank you very much.